Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Lovable AI is a powerful AI-powered web app builder that allows users to create full-stack applications by simply using natural language. It's designed to make app development accessible to everyone, from non-coders to professional developers who want to accelerate their workflow. Version 2.0 of Lovable introduces significant upgrades that focus on collaboration, intelligence, and security, bridging the gap between no-code simplicity and professional development capabilities. Now, let's get to what's new in Lovable 2.0. First, we have Smarter Chat Mode Agent. The new agent is designed for multi-step reasoning and problem solving. Instead of just editing code directly, it can help you plan your project, debug issues, search files, and even inspect logs. This makes it a more intelligent partner for complex tasks. We also have multiplayer collaboration. This feature is a game changer for teams. It allows multiple users to work on the same project in real time. Teams can now collaborate on a single code base, sharing a workspace and buying credits. Also, thirdly, we have enhanced security scanner. Lovable 2.0 introduces a security scan feature that automatically checks for vulnerabilities in your app before you publish it. This is a crucial addition that helps ensure the AI-generated code is production-ready and secure, addressing a major concern with AI-driven development. Also, we have dev mode. For users who want more control, dev mode allows you to directly edit the code of your project within the Lovable interface. We also have fifthly visual edits. The platform now offers more robust visual editing capabilities. You can directly manipulate elements, including text, padding, and styling through a graphical interface. Now, this is how to use Lovable AI 2.0. Using Lovable AI is a conversational process. Think of it as having a highly skilled developer as your partner. Step 1 right here is to start with a simple prompt. Begin by describing the app you want to build in a single clear sentence. The more specific you are, the better the initial result will be. This is a prompt example for this. Create a recipe tracking app where users can log in, save their own recipes, and categorize them. Step 2 is refine the app with the chat agent. Once the initial app is generated, you can use the chat mode agent to add new features or make changes. To add a feature, you can use this prompt. Add a dark mode toggle to the app settings. To debug an issue, you can use this prompt. I'm having an issue with the user authentication. Can you inspect the logs and fix it? Also, you can plan a feature and you can use this prompt to do that. I want to add a payment system for premium receipts. Can you help me plan the database schema and API integration? Step 3 is edit directly. If you are a developer or want to make a quick fix, you can switch to dev mode to edit the code directly. For simpler style or content changes, use the new visual editor to click and edit elements on the page. Step 4 is to collaborate with your team. If you have a team, invite collaborators to your workspace. You can all work on the same project in real time with the AI chat agent available to assist everyone. Step 5 is to now publish your app. When you are ready to launch, Lovable provides a one-click publish feature. It will also run a security scan, giving you peace of mind that your app is secure and production ready. You can even purchase and connect a custom domain directly within the platform. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.